Welcome to VLCC Femina Style Diva, presented by Maruti Suzuki Swift Desire, styled by Biba. आज की ये ग्लैमर एंड ग्लिट्स से शाम है 16 gorgeous ladies के नाम who are going to put the ramp on fire with style. इस ग्लैम इवेंट को और अल्ट्रा ग्लैमरस बनाया कुछ शाइनिंग स्टार्स ऑफ फिल्म एंड फैशन वर्ल्ड ने. चलिए सुनते हैं what's it that brought them here to this fabulous edition of VLCC Femina Style Diva.
So I'm looking forward to a very, very stylish, very, very fashion-forward evening, and it's a huge honor to be part of the jury.
At Femina Style Diva, I'm looking for a lot of spunk, a lot of, somebody having that X factor, a lot of stylish girls, young talent, and, having that glint in the eyes.
Very exciting to be here today. So we are the style sponsors for the event tonight. Kazo, as you know, is a very young and international brand. So we are really excited to, see all the young ladies at floor wearing Kazo apparels and flaunting themselves with fashion and all.
जो मेरे हिसाब से जो मैं देखना चाहूँगा, it's going to be like be real, don't fake.
I expect to see a lot of style, a lot of pizzazz, a lot of spunk in the way youngsters present their different styles.
I think Western has definitely been associated with Femina for almost 4 years now, and every year there has been a different milestone which we have been coming across, and it's been great journey through and through, and we just look forward to this journey going and moving forward to as many years as possible.
I think our Sheen brand is for ladies, which is, we say, shining and beautiful and elegant. So it's for typical women with multifaceted personalities.
रैंप रेडी लगना इतना आसान नहीं है. उसके लिए चाहिए परफेक्ट अटायर और मेकअप जिससे स्किन लगे फ्लॉलेस. और यही सारी चीजें VLCC दे रहा है इन कंटेस्टेंट्स को. Let's check out what these contestants have to share about their journey.
Preparation has been really, really, intense. We had the opportunity to learn from the experts and hone our skills.
We've been trained by Neonica ma'am, and she has really worked on our posture, our confidence, how to walk on the ramp. I am quite confident and excited.
Combination of both.
It's basically a feeling of mixed emotions, very eager to go on the ramp.
A little bit of nervousness, but a lot of excitement, and I'm really looking forward to the evening and setting the stage on fire.
Style is something that's it's an extension of your personality. It's very intrinsic, it's inbuilt, it's effortless almost.
Really happy to be part of this Diva contest by Femina, and looking forward to hosting the show. There's some lovely ladies who are gonna find their footing on the ramp for the first time in their lives. It's a great opportunity given to them.
I extend a very warm welcome to all of you and thank you for joining me tonight for the VLCC Femina Style Diva 2016 presented by Maruti Suzuki Desire, styled by Biba. Now I can't imagine a better platform than gives talented and gorgeous ladies a chance to unveil the diva within. I would like to first of all thank our partners for making this evening possible. Our title partner, VLCC. Round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting partner, Maruti Suzuki Desire. Style partner, Biba. Elegance partner, Sheen. Footwear partner, Totes Galore. Image consultancy partner, Impact Image Consultants. Ground travel partner, Deneb and Pollux. Freshness partner, Tupperware. Western wear partner, Kazo. Celebration partner, Emiliana. Female designer, Namrata Joshipura. Hospitality partner, the wonderful Western Gurgaon. Television partner, Zoom. Event conceptualized and executed by Oxygen Entertainment. Round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. They made this evening possible for all these lovely ladies to have a chance to showcase their abilities and their talent on this wonderful ramp and to give a fresh start in life for them. Today we have 16 such lovely ladies who are here to express their own style exclusively for you at the VLCC Femina Style Diva 2016. It gives me great pleasure to introduce to you our first judge. Now, he is a designer par excellence who was labeled the future of couture by Altarama, Altamoda, the moment he stepped foot in the world of style and fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our first judge for the evening, Mr. Gaurav Gupta. Round of applause for him. Now, this is a lady who embodies the brand Femina. She is the force behind making Femina truly unstoppable. Please welcome the editor of Femina, Tanya Chaitanya. Our next judge for the evening is India's first professional boxer who's a true entertainer. With an Olympic medal and the Padma Shri award amongst his many accolades, please welcome the dashing, the smashing Vijayendra Singh. Now it's time to meet Mr. Animesh Bharat, who manages the Westin Sona Resorts and Spa and comes with a vast experience in the hospitality industry, spanning over 35 years, having worked with many renowned brands. I present before you a multifaceted actor who shot to fame with Anurag Kashyap's critically acclaimed Gangs of Wasaipur. Please put your hands together. From Delhi, the very gorgeous, the very beautiful Huma Qureshi. And those are our judges. Can we have a round of applause for all our judges, please? What would be your advice to all these ladies if they would have joined Bollywood?
मत करो.
So now that we have all our judges settled in and ready, let's begin our first round of the VLCC Femina Style Diva 2016. This round is presented jointly by our Western wear partner Kazo, one of India's leading fashion houses with a presence in 21 cities, and Casio, our elegance partner and one of the world's most renowned and stylish brands. Now in this round, the contestants will be showcasing Kazo's Spring-Summer 2016 collection. It has a burst of pop colors and a dash of bling and a metallic elements to complement the structured silhouettes. The dresses in this round have been teamed with watches from Shein, which feature exquisite materials like raisin glass, sapphire glass, leather, and Swarovski elements. The stylish designers designs, fashionable accents, and craftsmanship make these watches ideal for today's modern women. Footwear by Totes Galore. Let's welcome out the divas for the evening. Our lovely 16 contestants in this first round. First 6 of the 16. Round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to know them a little better right now. Contestant number 1, that is Himani Sharma. Apart from modeling, this chirpy Delhi girl is also interested in riding bikes and playing the guitar. How are you feeling today? You feeling good?
I'm feeling amazing.
Well, you're looking amazing. Isn't she looking amazing, guys? Round of applause for her. Moving on to the second diva of the evening, we have Shreya Jolly. Is just 18 but has big dreams for her future. Tonight, do you think you will rule by the end of it?
Definitely, I'll try my best.
All right, great to meet you. Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Apurva Soni, an upcoming model. She is ambitious, optimistic, and confident. Do you think your confidence is going to make you reach the end of the road tonight?
For sure.
We like that kind of confidence, don't we? Round of applause for our first three. Samiksha Singh studied finance at the London School of Economics. She's also a trained Bharatanatyam dancer and volunteers for animal shelters and NGOs. That's a lot of stuff you do. Which one do you like doing the most?
Volunteering at animal shelters because I'm an ardent animal lover.
Shreya Malhana, a fashion student, originally from Kanpur. She believes in staying humble and working hard to create her own success story. Do you think being a fashion student is going to help you tonight?
Definitely. I think being myself will help me tonight.
Oh, great answer, great answer.
Contestant number 6, Ankita Sharma. Looking lovely, Ankita. A multi-talented girl who paints, she sketches, knows how to belly dance as well, and has also acted in Hindi movies. Which one do you enjoy doing the most?
Especially sketches and belly dance.
Whoa! Round of applause for our first 6, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome out our next 6 after this. We're going to come out here and blow your mind. Thank you, ladies. We're going to see you soon.
Give it up for our next 6, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful divas, keep coming on.
Contestant number 7, Priyanka Khatri is a fun-loving girl who loves being in the limelight. The Delhi model is also incidentally an engineer as well. Do you think you're going to engineer a fantastic performance today and win at the end?
Yes, sure.
Oh, such tall ladies. Beautiful. We have Preeta Singh. Are you feeling good tonight?
I'm feeling confident tonight.
Looking absolutely drop-dead gorgeous. Getting hot in here. Getting hot in here. What do you say, Huma? It's getting hot in here? It is, right? It's getting hot, yeah. Ishita Sachdev believes in being herself at all times and strives to be a better person each and every day. An ambitious model, she is studying political sciences at the Lady Shri Ram College. Do you think you'll have to be very politically correct today to win this contest?
Actually, to be right to be politically incorrect here because it's a diplomatic world.
Nicely said. Round of applause for her. Okay, contestant number 10, we have Sana Dua. She's currently based in Jammu and is a lawyer by profession. Are you excited about being here today?
Very excited. This night is something we've all waited for, hoping to make the best out of it.
Preeti Arya has studied animation and she enjoys creative pursuits like painting and writing poetry. She's also an avid dancer. We have Sonam Sharma. Now, Sonam Sharma, a psychology student, judges beware. Do you think you can read our judges' minds and know what they're thinking right now?
Yeah, obviously.
What are they thinking? What is Huma thinking right now?
Huma Qureshi is one of my favorite and she's looking so serious, but I know इनके mind में बिल्कुल चल रहा है कि कौन कैसे walk कर रहा है, उसका eye contact है या नहीं है, वो कितनी confident है. This is all.
Well said. Round of applause. Huma, you're in trouble, huh? You're in trouble. He's reading your mind. Our last 4, making the way. That's Rashi Rao for you, a chemistry major from Delhi University. Rashi is also a professional dancer and performs at Jhumro, a Kingdom of Dreams musical performance. How different is it going to be when you perform and act on stage than walking the ramp today?
The feel is almost same because you have to be confident whether it's a dancing stage or it's a modeling stage. You should have the right attitude and the confidence to be on stage. That's it.
Sweta Singh, contestant number 14, a theatre artist, a compere. Sweta currently plays the lead in India's longest-running Bollywood musical, Zangura, at the Kingdom of Dreams. Do you think your dreams are going to be fulfilled tonight?
Well, absolutely yes. They are going to begin tonight.
They're going to begin tonight. Well said. Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Sonal Budgal. She's a basketball player, in fact, at that. She can slam dunk anybody out here. So do you think you're going to slam dunk your way tonight?
Exactly, I would do that.
And here she is, our last diva for the night. Nivedita, a learner and a dreamer. She also loves the thrill of bike riding on a Harley. Do you think you're going to ride your way into the sunset tonight?
Sure, of course.
Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen.